Part 3: Diabetes Meal Planning for Beginners. Creating a weekly meal plan made easy. Welcome back to Part 3: Diabetes Meal Planning for Beginners. Today, we're diving into the world of diabetes meal planning by showing you how to create a weekly meal plan with ease. Let's get started on your path to healthy eating. 1. Assess your needs. Consider your dietary restrictions first, then move on to your preferences. Now you can consider modifying your portion sizes slowly. To do this, you can increase your vegetable intake while decreasing your protein to the suggested portion. 2. Plan your meals. Create a schedule. If you are intermittent fasting, then you may need to adjust your meals to fit your eating window. Try to cut out unnecessary snacks, then make sure to have a balanced breakfast, lunch, dinner. 3. Choose recipes wisely. Look for new diabetic-friendly recipes or looking to make your favorite recipes diabetic-friendly. Then you can make a grocery list accordingly. 4. Prep ahead. Prep ingredients and batch cook meals to save time during the week. This is especially helpful for mornings and starting the day off right. 5. Monitor progress. Evaluate how the meal plan affects your blood sugar levels and make adjustments if needed. By following these steps, you can simplify the process of diabetes meal planning and set yourself up for success. Get ready to enjoy a healthy and balanced diabetic diet. For more recipe ideas and tips on diabetes meal planning, subscribe to our channel to not miss any.